Double B is back.
Shades, reppin' for Cecilia's class.
Ready?
Let's go.
All I do is rap. I have this rhyme to save your time. Make sure you listen to every line. I will only spit this verse one time. Began in the 19th century to help us understand you and me. You know what I mean? I'm talking about the study of sociology. All groups have a different mental physique. With their own ways they learn and speak. The Father Kant from France, even there he don't know how to dance. Coined the term sociology, also wrote the book Positive Philosophy. We should use scientific observation to study how people be behaving based on Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. I can only come to one conclusion, that we live in a world of total confusion. Yeah, rich should be rich, poor should be poor. Because of this belief, we live in a world of war. Getting my information from Herbert Spencer. You're just lucky that I have to be censored.
Double B was talking about the group. Now I'm here, and I'm talking directly to you. Our verses aren't that dissimilar. He was talking about the group, but now I'm talking about the singular. Psychology is the psyche. It's also defined as a personality. It's got goals and a description. So I hope that all y'all be listening. Wilhelm Wundt, what a father he be. Started psychology in Germany. Self-observation, introspection.
What?
Thanks to him, I know about every section. Sir Francis Galton thought the most fit were the wealthiest. Also said they were the smartest. While I'm rapping to this rhyme, I want you to know that we all have defense mechanisms. Being hostile and showing verbal aggression. This brings me to major depression. Everybody's seen it in a form or two. It's a state that many of us have gone through. Feeling worthless and thinking about suicide. That's just wrong, cause we all deserve to be alive. Heading it back to Double B while we finish up our rapping spree.
I'm jumping back on this line one more time so I can soothe your minds a second time. Even though this beat, it ain't mine, I've gotta thank JV for this beat that's so fine.
Also thanking Cecilia for all her time, for teaching this shit to help us rhyme. Surprisingly possible.
Highly improbable.
Shades.
Double B.
Completely unstoppable.